Morning dear students, welcome to Iqra English School. This is your class 4th NCERT EVS book looking around, and today we are reading the chapter number 7 from the window. Omana's journey is continued. It is 7:30 of the morning. Let's start the chapter. It is morning now. Last night I went to sleep early. It was too dark to see anything outside. She is telling that last night I went to sleep early, but it is early in the morning and it is too dark outside that she cannot see anything. When the train stopped early this morning, I woke up. It was Madgaon. That was written on the board at the platform. Appa said that we were going through the state of Goa. We got off at the station and had some hot tea and filled our water bottles. The train started again. I find it difficult to describe the scene outside. It is so beautiful. It is green everywhere, fields with red soil and green crops, hills with trees. Hills covered with trees. So she is trying to say that when she uh, when she watched the in Ahmedabad, she saw the field there the fields were fully dry and brown, but here everywhere she was watching the greenish. The field with red soil and green crops. Hills were covered with trees. Sometimes I can see small ponds, and far away behind the hills more water. I can't make out if it is a river or the sea. The air is cooler and not so dry in Ahmedabad. She is telling me that when she was in Ahmedabad, the weather was so hot. But in Madgaon, the weather has become very nice. Now the air is so cool that she was feeling very good. The train passed a level crossing. People are waiting on the both of the side of the crossing for the train to pass. There are buses full of people, cars, trucks, auto rickshaws, cycles, motorcycles, scooters, and even tangas and bullock carts with the people and goods in them. Some people do not switch off the engines of their vehicles even while waiting eh, at the level crossing. There is a lot of smoke and noise. I see some people going under the bars of the level crossing. How dangerous this is. You are watching that this is a level crossing. You must have seen this in your city too. A level crossing is a place where a railway line crosses a road at the same level. So many vehicles are there both on the both side of the level crossing. Some peoples are there who are going under the who are going who are passing from the who were going under the bars of the level. That has become very dangerous. Sometime very dangerous accidents happens. The people were not switching off their engines. That is why there were so much noise and smoke on the level crossing. At times our train crosses another train. Annie and I tried to count the carriages in one such train, but both the trains were going so fast we always got confused. Do you know the train carriage? The train carriage are the compartment of the train which has sitting and sleeping facilities for the train travelers. What was the difference in the scene that Omana saw from the train on the first day and on the second day? On the first day of journey, Omana saw the fields were very dry and brown, but on the second day she saw field with red soil and hills covered with trees. Omana saw many kinds of vehicles at the level crossing. Which of them run off diesel and petrol? Buses, trucks, and a few cars run on diesel, while scooter cars, motorcycles, etc. run on petrol. Why was there so much smoke and noise from the vehicles at the level crossing? Because some people do not switch off the engine of their vehicles while waiting on the railway crossing or level crossing. What can we do to reduce noise of the vehicles and save petrol and diesel? Discuss. We should turn off the engine of our vehicle and we should stop horning our vehicles. This was the first part of your chapter. Listen carefully, learn the question answer properly. We will meet in the second part of the chapter. Good day.